Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I am so excited to try out probably the most iconic, it literally says in my product information here, cult favorite best-selling blush. And this is from NARS. It's the NARS Blush in the shade Orgasm, which I have actually never tried before, but I have been wanting to for so long. I really do think this is probably the #1 blush that people talk about. So I love that I'm finally getting to try it out and that I got it in my June 2021 Boxyluxe box. So this has a retail value of $30, which I think is very expensive for just a single blush. But I'm so glad I got it in that box, so I got it for a good deal. Which if you have not seen that unboxing yet, I'll have that video linked in the description down below so you can check it out. But so here is what the packaging looks like. Classic. It is a good size. Like, this is a big blush. It'll last a long time. I like that it has the mirror here. And so it has a gold shimmer to it, it looks like. Oh, and what's also great is like it's not just like a shimmer overlay. It's shimmery throughout. But first I want to start out with a swatch. Oh my gosh. So that really is beautiful. I love the glow that it has to it. Here you can see that swatch. It's not crazy pigmented, but I think it does have enough pigment for a blush. And so I'm just going to take a fluffy brush, pick up a little bit, not too much at first, and let's see how it looks on my cheek. Ooh. Right away I'm noticing that glow. So it's like a highlighter and blush 2-in-1, but I feel like that didn't really deliver any color. So picking up some more, not really using a light hand. Ooh, it just looks so reflective on the cheek and so glowy. I feel like the glow is building up more than the actual color. Let's go with some more because I do want some color to my cheeks. There we go. I mean, it's definitely buildable, but it's kind of hard to go overboard with this color. Oh, wow, that is beautiful. The way it adds such glow to the skin. When I look up close, I do see like shimmer sparkle. So it's definitely not a natural looking blush. You can tell that I'm wearing a lot of shimmery powder and it looks like a visible gold sparkle. And unfortunately, I do think that the gold shimmer sparkle is emphasizing the large pores that I have here on my cheek. So I feel like this looks so good on camera, but in person, I'm just very picky about the texture of my makeup products. And this, it looks powdery and it looks textured and it looks sparkly. So all of the things that I typically don't want in a blush. And I am very surprised that I'm not crazy about this since it is such a cult favorite product. I also feel like I want more color in my cheek, but it's almost like the gold shimmer is kind of canceling out the pink color. It's like I try and add more pink to the cheeks, but it just adds more gold. It does look really pretty though, especially on camera. Let's go ahead and apply it to the other side. I definitely don't feel like I need to wear a highlighter with this. So at least for $30, you are getting a 2-in-1 blush and highlight. But I am using such a heavy hand to build this up to the amount of color that I want in my cheeks. I can also just go ahead and bring it over the nose. I like to connect my blush that way. I feel like it looks more natural. So here's the finished look, and it really does look beautiful on the skin. It's a really nice shade of pink, and it's super glowy on the skin. So it gives a really pretty effect with that flush of color and that glow. But I just can't say that I love it, and it's definitely not my favorite because of all the sparkle on my face now and all of the very visible enhanced pores, which is something I really try and hide, but this is just really enhancing them. But let me know in the comments down below your thoughts on the NARS blush. Do you think it's worth the hype? I have to say that I don't think it's worth the hype, and it's like also due to my personal preferences and my personal skin concerns. It looks so pretty on the skin that I will continue wearing it, but it's just I don't feel as comfortable in how my skin is looking when you're seeing me in person and up close. But at least now I know. This is something that, like I said, I've been wanting to try for so long. So at least now I have it in my collection and I can say that I've tried it out and I don't really feel like I am missing out anymore. Well, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.